All right, guys, welcome back. It's Mr. Tavio. Today's lesson is I am. I want you to watch this video with Colin Kaepernick. It was the commercial he did. It was very famous. Just kind of think of I am words for yourself, right? I am blank. So what you're going to do is take 2 minutes. So use your phone or your computer to make a timer, and you're going to write down all the words that describe you, right? It could be, I am Italian, I am tall, I am short, I am awesome, I am smart. It doesn't matter, whatever it is. You're going to write them all down on a piece of paper or put them in your computer, right? You have 2 minutes. Then I want you, hopefully you have a whole bunch of words written down, right? And I want you to pick one word that you like the most, look up the definition of that word, and you're going to create a Google slide. It should be just one slide, and it should contain your name, the word you chose, the definition, and a picture of yourself. And you're going to submit that in Google Classroom or via sharing it. So it's going to look like this. Justin Ottavio is me. Empathetic was my word. I did Google definitions for the definition. Don't have to be too tricky or reinvent the wheel. There's my little Bitmoji man, and there's a picture of me with my wife, right? So that is an example of what to do. So you will sign into your Wake ID. You will click that Google Drive button there. It's going to take you to something that looks like this. You press New, Google Slides. It's going to bring you up a plain slide. If you want to change the background, it's taking forever. If you want to change the background, you press background, and it'll let you change the colors, right? So right now, I can make it red, right? If I want to insert a picture, I can hit insert, image, and it gives me some options there. We don't need to go through all of them, right? You guys know how to insert a picture for the most part. Click to add your title. So again, Justin Ottavio. My word is empathetic, and then I would put the definition. And then here is where I would put my picture, right? You can, again, use a Bitmoji or whatever. Go up here and press share. You would, name it, save, and then you would be able to send it over to me. So JDOTT, and there I am popping up right there. And then you would hit send, all right? So that's pretty simple part of this overall process there, right? And so it'll be saved in there, all right? And again, your final product should look like that. All right, hope you guys have a great day. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.